Welcome back to Fast Money. Time for a trader triple play. Big moves in three sectors today. Up first, shares of Boeing taking off up 2%. Morgan Stanley reiterating the stock as an overweight, saying it's through the worst of its problems and the commercial business should offset defense risks. Tim, recently you've called this the best looking chart in the Dow.
In the Dow, yeah, I think it is, and I think the fundamentals support the chart. You have a case here where part of their argument, I agree with this. This is the return of free cash flow at Boeing after they've said $21 billion. I've seen numbers that are greater than that over the last 3 years. It's a case where this was doing $25 to $30 a share in free cash flow in its heyday. I think we're getting back there, but it's a duopoly, folks. The airplane cycle, aircraft are scarce. There are order books that are going to grow, and I think the airlines are going higher too.
All right, next up, casinos hitting the jackpot today. Shares of Melco, Las Vegas Sands, Wynn, and MGM rallying for a second day after the Macau government renewed their licenses to operate there for another 10 years. Guy.
JP Morgan upgraded Wynn yesterday. I think $91 price target, probably still too cheap, coming off a pretty solid quarter in early November. I think people are coming to the realization that regardless of what's going on with China, lockdown, zero COVID, these casino stocks are still cheap. So I still think it goes higher from here, Melms.
China stocks more broadly, though, Tim, rallied today.
China stocks, KWEB's been rallying. KWEB rallied yesterday when there's protests. My view on EM is that it's going to continue to go higher. I just want, and on the casinos, they lost 2/3 of their multiple, and a lot of that were China license renewals, at least if you look at Wynn and you look at LVS Sands. I think you get long casinos. They're only just breaking out. They're still down 2/3 from where they were. Yeah.
Grasso, your thoughts on China?
Yeah, I mean, this is just the headwind du jour, right? So, but I would say that we have to be closer to the bottom than most people want to admit. And yes, they could, with a flick of a switch, they could say zero COVID policy is off the table, and then everything moves higher that's China related. But I would say that the casinos are showing us in the last month they've moved higher aggressively. Las Vegas Sands looks like the winner in the group to me. I'd probably stay there.
All right. Finally, Homebuilders finishing higher today. The XHB Homebuilders ETF gaining more than 0.5% in today's session. While the group has been hammered this year, it's been staging a comeback this month as mortgage rates pull back. So a little bit of a relief for the home buyer here. Steve, you alerted us to this move here that you're watching.
Yeah, it appears to me it's hard to fathom that you want to be buying houses right now or housing stocks in the face of a recession, in the face of rising rates. And even the sentiment around the builders themselves is pretty negative. And 60% of them are saying that they have to offer incentives to buy down the rate of the mortgage for the potential buyers to make it look attractive. Transactions are going lower, stocks are going lower, mortgage rates are moving higher, but a lot of these stocks seem to be counterintuitively making a rounded bottom. I don't think we've seen the bottom yet, but it appears that you can buy them for a short-term rally.
Well, they always look ahead, right? There's still a supply issue in housing, regardless of what mortgage rates are doing, Tim.
I think that's the affordability, by the way. It is the trader triple play. Verlander, Mets, Dodgers, or Yanks. Where's he signed?
Yanks.
Nice call. Yeah, I mean, he's not going to play for the Mets. By the way, I'm going to say this, and at the risk of infuriating a lot of people out there. No, I'm going to say it.
All right.
Playing for the Mets, Tim, is not the same as playing in New York City.
Let's take this outside. We got 2 minutes to get off this show, and then I'll see you out in Times Square.
I was asking about Homebuilders, Timothy.
So I think Homebuilders are trapped in a range here. I think you have a case here where the valuation is actually pretty interesting. If you look at PHM, I get the sense here velocity in the housing market is ground to a halt and stays there.
Comes down to interest rates. 10-year yields have gone from 4.3. They're going to 3.5%, in my opinion. Dan's been right on this trade. It's as simplistic as that, in my view. If you think rates are going lower, I think the home builders go higher, which I do.
I thought you gave me another. I thought that you were going to be off topic on something else.
No, you asked me a specific question. You want to get into the Verlander debate. He's not pitching for the. He's not playing for the Mets.
How about USA Soccer?
How about it?
How about it?
Awesome.